those ways for it not to get up and fly. So it's I think it's something else. Could be just something floating out there. Could be a buoy of some sort. I don't have zoom. That bird just went in. This doesn't quite look like exactly like a bird, does it?
No, I see two things floating.
Well, yeah, a bird just flew right in here.
Your hand just got the shot.
Oh, gee. Oh, you're
I'm videoing. Everybody can hear me. Good morning.
If that's fresh breakfast.
Man, there are fish out there. Look how many, they're just all over the place.
Yeah. Maybe small like menhadens or something like that. If that's a bird out there, see how they're, if that's a bird out there, that's the laziest bird I've ever seen.